to the next speakers. Next speaker. Yeah, next speaker is Dr. Pulavarti China. Pulavarti China Vengaiah. I hope that I pronounce your name and really apologize for that. You will introduce your research study around Palmyrah, palm products and byproducts in India, present status and scope. You have 15 minutes to present the brief results, your work. You have
good afternoon. Good afternoon to everybody.
Good afternoon,
madam. Yeah.
You have seen your presentation. It's great. It's perfect.
Yes. Myself, Vengaiah, working as a scientist under Arecaceae and palms. In fact, we are the only one institute working in palm products and byproducts in India in a research angle. That too mainly on food products. Recently, we initiated in fiber and leaf-based articles also. Although we have a plenty of production, especially there are so many types of palms are available, but mainly in wild palms, that is called Palmyrah palms. Borassus Flabellifer is widely grown along the field borders and arid tracts, wastelands. So it is widely grown. It is more than 150 million palms are available in India, but due to lack of research and due to lack of attention in technologies not utilized, at least 2 to 3% also not utilized. But although there are mentioned in the traditional knowledge itself, there are more than 200 uses are available in traditional knowledge, but there is no scientific research and technology available. That's why we initiated research on this Palmyrah based products last 10 years back, and we developed so many products. And now it is the Palmyrah is eye-opening for us to initiate further byproduct research. Although plenty of material is available, not taken the research still now. That's why it is a very good platform to us. Mainly, I am very much thankful to Palmyrah organizers as well as our organizers, our university organizers, to allow me to present and to hear all the lectures in the different rooms and different sessions. Regarding our work, that Palmyrah is a plenty of population in India, mainly in southern states. Both edible, sweet, sap, sugar, and endosperm, other petiole, fiber, leaf, and there are plenty of raw materials available. In this, we attempted many works and we developed many products that I will show in glimpses, not in a research work only, but not highlighting the data and all. I will show what are the. Here we see it is just assumption. If you use 50% of farms in India, more than 50 lakh people we can create employment, and more than 26,000 crores of income we can generate per year. Then coming to the tapping, we are initiated work on the tapping onwards. Here in Palmyrah palm, both male and female palms is available. Generally, at present, only during the season they use it for only toddy purpose. That to 1 to 2%. During the January to and May, only 5 months they will tap for toddy, alcoholic drink, and they will leave it. There is no technology for tapping, there is no preservation, there is no value-added products. But we attempted to collect the entire year. Like that, we can streamline the tapping process, different stages of the spathe, both male and female, and matured branch also. These are the different type of technologies we standardized already. We published some papers also. And coming to the and we have a scheme of Arecaceae and palms, and we are collecting the allied germplasm, and we are maintaining the special garden for 14 acres, and we are evaluating the different age of the palms. And traditionally, people use it to cut the spathe and arrange the pot to collect the toddy only. Then initially we developed with the help of thermocol box, and after that we developed one cool box technology to collect the fresh, delicious, healthy drink from the palm. Without fermenting. Otherwise, generally, once you tap the spathe, then once it exposes to atmosphere, it will start fermentation immediately. Then it will convert into the alcoholic drink. But we developed a technology, cool box technology, which is a very hygienically collection, airtight collection, and it having a cooling effect with the bottom of ice or gel pads or electric pads we arranged. Like that, we developed one cooling box technology. It is also under patenting. We are under patenting. And similarly, we developed different anti-fermenting agents and herbal-based anti-fermenting agents also to arrest the fermentation to collect the fresh and health beverage drink. This is the and also we applied different edible anti-fermenting agents to the cut space to increase the yield as well as to stop the fermentation. Like that, we replaced the traditional process with different technologies and modified the technologies. Now we are able to collect the fresh, delicious, sweet, health drink, which is having a high medicinal values and high nutrition, which is iron rich, and it is having a medically proven, and it is a diabetic friendly. It is a delicious drink. Now it is available with us. It is only institute we are able to sell this delicious drink from the Palmyrah, and this is and we analyzed all the composition of the Palmyrah sap, both male and female palms and matured palms in different stages and different, and we developed a shelf life and both chemical processing and membrane processing. We developed the shelf life technology for shelf life to increase the shelf life to marketing the products. Like that, different technologies we developed, and with biopreservatives and the toolbox method. Like that, we developed technologies. And coming to the although the sap is very delicious drink, that shelf life one is the major big problem. We have to collect hygienically and process and increase the shelf life. Otherwise, it will start fermentation. For that, it is better to do at cottage level different value-added products. For that, we developed different value-added products, and finally we got one big pilot plant for all these value-added products from Palmyrah. It is a first its kinds of in Asia. I think for Palmyrah products, value-added products, there is no industry anywhere. Only cottage level processing is there in Sri Lanka, Philippines, and different countries also. But in India also, we developed one pilot plant for to develop the different value-added products. These are the different products that health, fresh health drink, and the concentrated stage, different stages of that concentration form of the sap. And we will have to jaggery from the male palm, female palm, and similarly palm sugar and liquid jaggery in the syrup form, or one can it as a palm honey. There are different health and zero addition. It is a natural and health products we developed and standardized. These are the different chocolates and candy and Palmyrah jaggery powder and jaggery cubes and jaggery syrup from the both male and female palm. Like that, now we are branding and jaggery powder and liquid jaggery we are selling in the market under government itself, and we are giving the trainings to the people, needy people, to start their own industry at cottage level as well as industry level. Similarly, we are replacing it cane sugar with that palm sugar and palm jaggery, different chocolates, dark chocolates and all, which is a very healthy and diabetic friendly chocolates also we standardized. And recently one another that palm vinegar also we standardized, crude vinegar and palm jaggery we developed due to the from the ancient Vedas. We taken that processing technology and culture we developed, and it is a highly sweetened, and it is a diabetic friendly, and it is having a full of medicinal values, huge demand, and one can use as a sweetener for this palm honey. Shelf life is more than 6 months without adding any preservatives, but that culture itself acts as a preservative. This is some economics values. Due to constraint time, I am not able to explain all the things, and we have a huge scope and huge demand in natural products. This is one example. That's traditional jaggery making people. This is a traditional making process. One wife and husband, one family itself, they are earning in the Indian rupees 1 lakh per month by using this palm jaggery. That one can imagine how much scope and how much demand is there for palm jaggery and palm products. These are the different scientific parameters also. We studied each and everything, all composition with the different national accredited laboratories, as well as I have my own laboratory for the analysis of all the parameters for the sap and value-added products, jaggery, sugar, jaggery. Like that, we developed a process protocols for the Palmyrah and palm jaggery and palm candy, palm sugar, palm and jaggery powder also. Like that, different products we developed and technologies, and that is regarding the Palmyrah sap and sap based products. There is a huge demand. There is another one interesting product from the Palmyrah tuber. It is epicolon. It is a fiber rich and having a sufficient minerals, and having it is a very good in fiber. This is also generally people use it to take during the season of the 1 month. Then we developed a technology for developing a flour and rava from these tubers for drying and debuttering process. And recently we sent one export consignment also UK also with collaboration with NGO. Lot of demand in abroad and many countries. It is a natural, available, and flour which is having a rich in fiber as well as vitamins and minerals. One can replace maida with this flour. This is another one value-added product. There are different type of products we standardized by using this tuber flour to replacing the maida, and cane sugar was replaced by palm jaggery. Like that is a delicious, healthy, and natural products. And for this also we standardized the technology. Now we are under the process of the getting the patenting for this process. Like the different snacks, bakery, and confectionery items was developed by using the tuber flour, and now it is ready to commercialize. Already some cottage industries was started to marketing. It is a natural and healthy products, and also we analyzed phytochemical speeding, and also it is based on the results. It is one can having a nutraceutical applications, and what one can use in the supplement in the food processing industry. This flour in the bakery, mainly in the bakery and confection items. And another, we attempted all the products edible and unedible in that is the tuber, that endosperm. Endosperm is a delicious, highly water content and really tasty. And from this endosperm also we developed different products to increase shelf life, and RTS beverage and flakes, candy, and blended with other beverages. Like that, we developed different products, and protocols were standardized Palmyrah products. And coming to the fruit, fruit is one another important product from the Palmyrah. It is plenty of fruits. As I told that the 150 million palms yearly lakhs of tons of pulp are wasting. Why? Because it is there, nobody investing in this palm. It is a freely available pulp, but nobody using. For this, now we developed technologies to collect the fruit pulp, and we developed the different fruit flours, and fruit beverages, and fruit bars. Now it is a natural, zero addition, nothing. It is a naturally available products, and health point of is a lot of demand also is there. Only thing is research and technology is lacking. Then that's why we attempted. Now we successfully developed many products. Now people are coming for trainings and taking these different products. That is a fruit-based product. These are all coming from one single Palmyrah palm, that is Borassus only. These are different snack items one can replace with maida and rice flour with this Palmyrah fruit flour or fruit pulp. Like that, we standardize all the products. And that is another one interesting products. This is a one nut. When sprouting is come from the nut, once you break it, there is a very delicious spongy endosperm is available. It is a highly rich in protein. If you see in dry basis in powder, it is a 18% protein. One can substitute in the baby food also. If you mix with milk or hot water, it is like a delicious drink, highly rich in protein. And so now a lot of tons of going in waste only. That's why we developed a technology for value addition of these products, both spongy endosperm and copra. And coming to the fiber and leaf based products also we attempted recently. Mainly my work is on food products. I like that we developed more than 30 food products, and some of the products are already commercialized. Some of the products are now we under pipeline. But recently, we last from Palma conference, I came to know that lot of scope for non-edible and fiber and leaf-based products also. That's why just I started the exploration of the different fiber and leaf-based products from this Palmyrah, especially this palm itself. Here in this one is a leaf base. It is a very eco-friendly, natural, and very hot fiber is available. This is a lot of demand in abroad in many Singapore and Canada, other countries. And now it is only traditional practice is going on to extraction, and simply fiber is exporting for different countries. But for making different broomsticks, clean road cleaning devices and all. And another one, fruit fiber also is after extraction fruit pulp. Is very, it can be studied as a cushioning material or any other. You can extract cellulose and other materials for particle board, fiber board, other purposes. Now we are exploring these are the different fiber and leaf and petioles. Now traditionally they are using for only for fencing purpose and thatching purpose only, that leaf and petioles. Now we are exploring the studying the basic properties of the physical and mechanical properties just initiated in this fiber and leaf products. And also from the Palmyrah leaf itself, we can we are giving trainings on different leaf articles by taking the dyeing and the shade dyeing with making it more than 100 type of articles for fancy articles. We are giving trainings, but another scope is for different type of fancy articles on the leaf. Now we are in the line of Bipalma research. Why? Because there are so many opportunities for byproducts, mainly fiber and leaf based products. With the scientific approach of different composite material and particle boards. Now we are in this line, we initiated the work. Mainly, still now we focused on the only food products. That's why we developed more than 30 products. Now we have all scientific data, and already we consider some of the products. Now some of the products are under pipeline. This is all about my work. In briefly, I want to give the glimpses of my research work in India. In fact, ours is the only one institute working on products and byproducts in the palm, especially Palmyrah palm. We have one scheme, small scheme. In that, I did all this work, and now we are getting different projects to continue this research work on Palmyrah-based products and byproducts. And with help of Bipalma researchers and other scientists, I will initiate new dimensions of my research work. Thank you very much for organizers as well as my university for giving this opportunity. Thank you so much. Thank you, madam.
Thank you.
Any questions regarding my work, you can ask. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Lavati, for your very rich in information and very speed also. You throw the light to another variety of palm in India, which uses different parts of palm, fruits, leaves, seeds. This is really very interesting. I let the floor asking a question around this new kind of palm in India. If you have any question to Dr. Pulavarti, you are welcome. I will check the board chat just to see if there is a question.
Yeah. I think there are no questions in chat pane, madam.
One old article about your species, this Palma species in India, about the toxicity effect. Did you check this side in your laboratory?
Yes, madam. Yeah, we are studying all anti-nutritional factors for all food products. Product-wise, we are studying.
You are still studying on it?
Yes, madam. Already we developed some products. So we studied all anti-nutritional factors also. For product-wise, we are taking the studies for anti-nutritional and toxicity parameters also.
Okay, you have already published some work on this topic?
Yes.
Yes, okay. It will be interesting also to see your results in the next edition, maybe.
Yes.
Thank you, Dr. Pula.